They whisper of a new dawn, a revolution hidden in the shadows, coded in the language of the universe itself. It's called quantum computing, and it promises to rewrite the rules of the game. For decades, we've relied on the silicon chip, the workhorse of the digital age, but its reign is nearing its end. The problems we face, climate change, disease, resource scarcity, demand something more, something faster, more powerful. Enter the quantum realm. Here the laws of physics bend. Information exists in a superposition, a blur of possibilities. This allows quantum computers to tackle problems that would take traditional machines centuries. Imagine designing new drugs that target diseases with pinpoint accuracy, or creating unbreakable encryption codes that would render hacking obsolete. Quantum computing could unlock the secrets of material science, leading to revolutionary inventions. A world where clean energy is abundant, food scarcity is a thing of the past, and human lifespan is extended. This is the future that quantum computing promises. But the road ahead is not without its challenges. These machines are delicate, temperamental beasts. Building and maintaining them requires expertise bordering on sorcery. We need to overcome the limitations of our current technology. We need to translate theoretical breakthroughs into practical solutions. Yet, the potential is undeniable. Every breakthrough, every sleepless night brings us closer to that quantum dawn. A new era where the impossible becomes reality. But with great power comes great responsibility. Will quantum computing be a force for good, or will it fall into the wrong hands? The answer, as always, lies with us. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the age of quantum computing is upon us. What do you think about quantum computing? Share your thoughts in the comments below.